Hello guys, what's going on? Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you just a quick tip that you're going to need. Oh, by the way, if you watched the previous video in terms of the tools that I suggest for creating screen recorded videos, then you're gonna realize that the one that I suggested, which is Cam Studio, you're gonna realize that it only saves files in AVI format. AVI format is not compatible with most video players, or it's not compatible with most platforms that allow you to upload videos and play back. So you're gonna need this tool. It's called VIP video converter or VIP video converter, however it's pronounced, and there it is. That's a domain. So once you land on it, then all you have to do is click download now. Just a second. Right, so you're gonna select the folder that you want to download it to and then download it. I already have it downloaded. However, if you download it, it's gonna ask you to restart your computer so that it can function effectively. So as soon as you download it, you're gonna get a prompt that tells you to do that. Now after you've done that, it's gonna be on your desktop. When you click on it, this is what's gonna come up. So make sure that it's selected on video formats, conversion to MP4, and then you're gonna click on add file. So you're gonna select the video that you want to convert from AVI to MP4 if you've used Cam Studio, right? You're gonna specify an output directory, and then you're gonna convert it. I already have one being converted right now, so that's basically it. That's basically how it works. It's straightforward, just like everything else that I show you and will show you, right? So that's basically it for now. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, whatever time zone you're in. I'm having a wonderful day over here. So thanks for viewing. See you next time.